Nick opening his new toy. No, I didn't get that. Don't ruin the box because we have to cover James's with it. Great cubby house.
Talk about packaging. Is it the instructions? Have a look. There it is, it's in place now. All done. There you go. A little bit of food. It's all about being a star on YouTube. It's got the built-in water. So it's all plumbed in. And now it's going to fill this up. It's got the 2 trays. So it's got the automatic ice, and then you've got another tray there.